Hello everyone. I hope you guys all are doing great and happy Thursday. हाम्रो यहाँ चाहिँ थर्सडे छ अनि I'm going to auto part shop because my car high beam passenger side is the I mean it's the not working, so I want to replace that one. So I'm going to buy new bulb. So okay, let's go. See you. म चाहिँ अहिले गइरहेको छु मेरो बाहिर मेरो किनकि मेरो कारको एउटा हाई बिम बल्ब जालेको छ त्यसको लागि त्यो किन्नको लागि यहाँ ट्राफिक छ ट्राफिकमा कुरिरहेको छु I'm waiting for traffic lights. Okay, see you. मेरो my parking off. Advance auto parts shop. I'm going to here. Yeah. Okay. I buy in this store. So I wanna change. Going back to my home. I wanna change this one. Okay. See you again. See, I buy this one, so I wanna go home and I'm trying to today myself. I don't know, never ever I did it before, so I'm trying to first time this one. So I wanna trying to this and put back that one. Okay, see you later. Okay, now I'm back to home. So my car is here. This is my car. Now I wanna install the new bulb. This is not a high beam bulb, but low beam bulb. I wanna change this one. Okay, see you. Hello guys. So everybody using cars, so signs showing this kind of signs. That means your bulb is gone. You know. So that means you no need to scare, no need to do anything. So you just go and which bulb is gone, you just use the check and go to the store, you buy the new bulb and you can install yourself. So it's how to install. I want to show you step by step. Okay, see you. And you have to pull up this one handle here, and then this little cap, see here black things, this is gonna turn on. You have to turn on this is a cap to put out, just leave it here, you can see leave here and then go again, just see the here, see, did you see inside here the white things here, small white things, you have to turn on and just pull out like this, see, okay, and then you have to open this box. So this is regular bulb, but this is not gonna take the long time, so I buy LCD one, see this LCD, but it looks like different, but don't worry, it's easy to install. Okay guys, before I buy LCD bulb, but my car was just that bulb doesn't work, so I went to change. So now I buy regular H7. See, this is the new silver near. So now I'm gonna go to change. This is work for me easy too. So let's see. Yeah, to new bulb here. I want to switch here. Okay, let's show. Okay, make sure you have to pull out this bulb slowly. Comes out. Slowly pull out. Like this. See, comes out, and then you have to a new bulb install inside. So don't touch in the bulb, main bulb here. So you have to make sure, be careful. Again, So here, make right. Let's see. Yep. Just and then pull up little bit twist, and then I wanna make sure checked is the works or not. Okay, let's see. Now works. I change my bulb, new bulb, and this one say you can see this one a little bit white, and the other one is a little bit something like yellow. So I'm gonna change this one to driver side too. It's because the different showing the different light. Okay, guys, I did it. I think that's all. Okay, that's all. I'm done. I fixed it. I installed a new bulb here. So then, yeah, that's it. Today, that's all. Please like, share, subscribe. Please. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.